Dry skin is a problem that many of us can relate to. Even our founder, Associate Professor Greg Goodman, dermatologist of over 30 years. So today, he's going to help us uncover the top 5 questions we get asked about dry skin. In our video where we chatted about oily skin, we discussed whether or not it was a young person's problem. Is dry skin an older person's problem, and does it cause wrinkles?
Having dry skin, paraphrasing your question, was a problem of being the opposite of oily. It's not. You can have dry skin and oily skin in the same individual. Dry skin is an issue of the top layer of the skin surface, unlike oily skin, which is a problem of the second layer. And dry skin can occur at any age. And yes, as you run out of oils to hide that dryness as you get older, it does tend to increase as you get older as well.
What are some of the most common things that dry skin out?
Strangely enough, normal soaps and shampoos and some actually skin products can actually dry your skin out. Things like exfoliants, toners, excessively drying liquids and some of the products like anti-acne products, for example, can all dry out the skin. And once the barrier function is compromised, that actually increases the dryness of your skin over time.
And how does the weather play a part in dry skin?
Winter in temperate climates, like in Australia, and most of Australia, has a lower humidity level and allows the water in your skin to evaporate a lot easier out of your skin. And the water is needed inside your skin to keep the skin humidified and to keep the skin moisturised. If it evaporates to the atmosphere, then it's gone and you tend to dry out much faster.
So what's the difference between dehydrated and dry skin? Is there one?
Well, I think people use this interchangeably, but to me, dry skin is a long-term issue spanning over years, and dehydration really refers to what you're doing to it, which is abnormal, such as using harsh products that might be artificially drying it out temporarily.
So one question we get asked all the time is, I use a moisturiser, so why am I still dry?
Well, a moisturiser will help most people with dry skin, but some people have an abnormal barrier function because they have things like eczema, and just a simple moisturiser will only work very temporarily. Or else that moisturiser is just not right for that particular case of dryness. Sometimes moisturisers have to allow chemicals to get into the skin to allow proper moisturisation, and sometimes layering on top of the skin is enough to moisturise the skin. There are different moisturisers for different skin conditions.